We are at a park and it is raining. The weather's warmish. It's not as warm as it's been the last couple of days because it's been in the 70s. The lawnmower, as I'm sure you can hear in the background, is going. It's raining though. It's kind of a tough time to mow. I want to be one of those people who goes out in all weather, and even though it's mid-50s, it feels warm enough. And I think next week it's going to be warm again. So even though I've been obsessively buying fuzzy socks and warm weather clothing, you know, I'm enjoying this balmy fall that we're having at the moment. And yeah, I'm getting wet. My son is still wearing shorts. My daughter and I are wearing pants and sweatshirts. But the park is gorgeous. If you can see all the fall colors behind me, maybe a little, an orange. See? Gorgeous. I love it. So we're gonna enjoy this rainy day. It's morning, so nobody else is here, but I get it. I didn't really want to come out and get all wet either, but here we are. You have squirrels in your shoes?
Yeah. What the heck? Look at me.
What is it? A bug?
There was a bug.
What are you doing?
I'm doing this. It's so beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
Wow, I love it.
You wanna?
I wanna fall into it. I just wanna jump. Isn't that better?
Oh, this is. Oh, this is cool. Wow, gorgeous. Alrighty. It was really, really pretty right here with all these, whatever kind of trees they are. Looking up. I love it. It's raining and you can hear it in here, but feels, you know, it's getting somewhat filtered through the leaves that are still on the trees. Yeah, I don't think that's a path down there. Even though it looks like, well, I don't know for sure if it is or isn't. It's gorgeous.
End of line. Let's go back now. Hello, hello.
All right, back to the playground.
Wait, no, let me run around here for a second.
All right, run around for a second. I wanted to go back here and I didn't think they'd want to come, and here we are.
The dirt side.
You found a portal.
Yeah, yes. The dirt side's down.
All right, let's look at this portal.
So.
Actually, that's pretty cool. It looks like a portal.
Ah, my foot's gone.
Oh no.
I found it.
Oh, good, good, good. Let's see. You're gonna jump into the portal? They're way ahead. Okay, I know it's loud with the lawnmower back there, but I'm gonna close the video now. We're gonna go play. It's a little chillier now. I wonder why. Maybe because we were standing still for a minute. I don't know. I'm gonna zip up my sweatshirt and the kids are gonna play until they're ready to go back home. Or my feet get cold because my shoes are wet and I'm not wearing fuzzy socks today. Thought it was a little warmer than it is. That's it. Kids are playing. We had fun. And it's raining and I'm chilly, so I'm gonna zip up my coat and leave you here. Have a great day. Hope you are also getting out in the weather. I'm getting hugged.
Oh, wow, because I'm wet.